What's up, YouTube? Yeah, this is KNG to the JEHU of Wall Street. Now, today is Friday. I'm currently recording this video to be uploaded on Saturday, as I promised. Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday, I'm going to be dropping videos and updating you guys on my challenge. So currently, we're just up 20k. I was actually up 23k, but I lost 3k in the process. I risked 2k on a particular trade and 1k on a particular trade. That was yesterday and today. Both of them took me out. One of them was a mistake, the other one was wrong analysis. So right now I'm going to show you guys on the trades. I'm going to record everything I'm doing and even how I'm preparing to come back stronger and make 50k next week. But that's just by the way though. So currently my FundedNext website is not loading. If not, I would have shown you guys the position, the ranking that I'm currently in out of the 80,000 contestants. But that's just by the way. Don't forget to stick to the channel, like this video, subscribe so that you can learn more things like this, like, you know, just know how we roll. And then yeah, let's get into the video. Alright guys, welcome back. Now this is King Jehu as usual. So you can see right now from here, this place is actually messy because I was teaching my students some things on live call. That's why I have a lot of things that I've drawn on the charts. But nevertheless, that's not what we came to do here today. Now, I first picked this zone because price used this 45-minute breaker block to move yesterday. So I chose this as the next zone, and then price did not respect it as expected. But I still strongly believe we are bearish until we clear this entire trend here. But for the meantime, I'm going to be entering from a 30-minute order block. This is my next setup. So the first trade I actually missed was that I was trying to buy somewhere around here before I actually discovered that we are still selling, because there was a concept about 2 breaker blocks that I thought was going to play out here. But that's by the way. Price is bearish and now we're sticking to it. Now if you look here, you can see the 30-minute order block that I want to use. You see that? Okay, so for you guys that don't know about order block is the last bullish candle before an impulsive bearish move, or the last bearish candle before an impulsive bullish move, both in a uptrend and downtrend respectively. So now this is gonna be my liquidity for this point of interest, and then that's gonna be a 36 RR. On my main account, I'm even actually going to hold till maybe somewhere down here. So let me go into my challenge account and show you guys the losses and the next trade I'm planning to take on, guys. So this is my screen right now. You can see minus 1,248. Now I'm a very high RR trader, so my trade lot is on the spot. Let me show you guys the history. Now we're going to be transparent here. You can see this was the buy I tried to take. Very foolish decision. And you see from here to somewhere here, I lost about close to 2k. It wasn't even up to 2k. Then I think it was, I don't know. Then this was the sell. You can see that also. The 1,200 and something there about. So now price has officially started selling, right? But this move now is my liquidity, my inducement. I wait for price to drop up to here, then go back and trigger my zone and sell down to here. Originally the main take profit is supposed to be here, but from my daily time frame view, I'm expecting price to get to up to here. That'll be 55k. So guys, thanks for watching this video. Let me get back and close. Hi there, thanks for watching to this part. I'm sure that, and I trust that for you to reach to this aspect, you really like what I said in the video and you're liking the challenge. So don't forget to like, subscribe, share this probably with a friend that is into trading, and then let's see if I can come out with the price with the win. Let's see if I can come out with the trophy, or we go again next month. Thank you guys for watching this video. I remain King Joe of Wall Street. Peace.